Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to start TikTok account. First of all, open up the TikTok app. You can sign up for TikTok by email and phone number. And you can also sign up with your Facebook, Apple, or Google account. Then click on the Use Phone or Email option. To sign up for your account, first of all, you need to choose your birth date and tap on Next. Then enter your email and click on Next. After that, create a password for your account. Make sure to create a strong password and then click on Next. Set a nickname for your account and click on Confirm. Now you're signed in to your TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.